Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to buy the Polkacity token using Trust Wallet and PancakeSwap. I'm going to be showing you guys step by step everything you have to do in order to buy this token. Now, before we get started here, I'm just going to remind everyone that I do have daily cryptocurrency content coming out on my channel. So if you guys are interested in crypto, I'd really recommend subscribing, as I'll have lots of content coming out now and into the future. Anyhow, first things first here, we're just going to open up our Trust Wallets. And once we're in our Trust Wallets here, I'm just going to let you guys know I'm not going to show you how to create your Trust Wallet or how to buy or transfer BNB inside of this video here. Now, if you need to learn how to do that, I'll have separate tutorials linked in the description and in the comment section for you guys to learn how to do that first. And then you guys can come back over here to learn how to buy the token. Now, another thing I want to point out as well is that you do have to have your BNB on the smart chain. So you do have to transfer your BNB from your BNB wallet over to your smart chain wallet if you haven't already. So if, say for example, you have your BNB in your BNB wallet right here, you just want to go ahead and click on that, then click on swap, and then you'll see an option right here to swap to smart chain. You're going to want to make sure you have your BNB inside of your smart chain wallet, or else it will not show on PancakeSwap and it won't let us swap the tokens. So you just want to make sure you have that done there. But once you have that done there, all we have to do now is get the contract address for the token. And I'll show you guys how to do that by going over to CoinMarketCap, and I'll have a link in the description and comment section for that as well. So let's go ahead and head over to that CoinMarketCap link I have there, then I'll show you guys what to do next. And once we're on CoinMarketCap here, you just want to navigate down to where you see contracts. All the way over to the right, you will see two little squares. But instead of clicking on the Ethereum contract address, we're going to click on this little arrow. And it's going to show us one for the Binance Smart Chain. Only reason why I'm showing you guys this is to avoid the fees on the Ethereum chain. And we're just going to copy the one for the Binance Smart Chain just by clicking on the two squares right here. Once we click on that, we have copied the contract address. We can now exit out of here and head back over to Trust Wallet. Once we're back in Trust Wallet here, we just want to go to the top right corner of our screen where we see the two lines and two circles and click on that. Then we can go ahead and paste in the top search. Once we do that, we'll see no assets found, add custom token. So we go ahead and click on add custom token. And we're just going to change the network from Ethereum over to Smart Chain. Then we could paste the contract address in here, and everything else we need will load it automatically for us. Once we have that, we can go ahead and click on save in the top right corner. Once we've done that, we now have a spot for the token in our wallets. So now we can head over to the PancakeSwap exchange, and I'll have a link for that in the description as well as in the comment section down below. So you guys can just go ahead and click on that link if you would like to, or of course you can always just Google it yourselves and go over to PancakeSwap and I'll show you guys what to do next. And once you're on PancakeSwap here, you just want to go to the top corner of your screen where you see the Connect Wallet button and click on that. Once you click on Connect Wallet here, you just want to go and click on Wallet Connect. Once you click on Wallet Connect, it's going to ask us to choose our preferred wallet. Now, you can use any one of these wallets here, but in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys with Trust Wallet. So we're going to go ahead and click on Trust Wallet. Once we click on Trust Wallet, the screen will pop up inside of our Trust Wallet, asking us to connect PancakeSwap to our Trust Wallet. Reason being is so we can actually access our BNB that's inside of our Trust Wallet, and so we make sure the token goes back to our Trust Wallet. So we're going to go ahead and click on Connect, and then head back over to PancakeSwap. Once we're back on PancakeSwap here, we're going to go down to where it says Select a Currency, click on that, and then paste the contract address in right here. Once we do that, we'll see the Polkacity token pop up here. So we're going to click on Import, I understand, and then Import. Now, once we have the token inside of here, all we have to do now is change our slippage tolerance. So we're going to go to the side where it says Exchange over to this little settings gear and click on that. Once we click on that, we're going to go down to where it says Swaps and Liquidity. We can go ahead and type in our slippage tolerance here. Now, I'd recommend starting off with 12% slippage tolerance. It might change depending on the liquidity of the token at the time you're watching this video, but I'd start off with 12% before you work your way up, just to make sure the transaction goes through. So once we have that in here, we can exit out of here, and then we can go ahead and type in the amount of BNB that we want to transfer in. So let's just say, for example, I wanted to trade 1 BNB. I can go ahead and put that in there, and then it will show me how much of the Polkacity token I'll get in exchange for my 1 BNB. Now, if you guys are okay with this here and you understand, you can go ahead and click where it says insufficient BNB balance for me. It should be telling you right here to swap. Once you click on swap right there, it's going to show you a broken down version of your transaction, showing you your fees and everything like that. So if you're okay with that, you can go ahead and click on swap one more time. You should then get a connection screen inside of your Trust Wallet asking you to confirm and actually swap. So you can go ahead and do that as well. Once you do that, you can exit back out of here, right back into your Trust Wallet, and the Polkacity token will arrive here usually within a couple minutes. Anyhow, I really hope I was able to help you guys out, showing you guys how to buy the Polkacity token using Trust Wallet and PancakeSwap. If this video did help you out, be sure to leave a like on the video and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching.